Have you ever wondered why you work hard, get a steady paycheck, and yet by the end of the month there's barely any money left in your hands? Picture this. You get a $3,000 paycheck. In your head, you're thinking, this month I'm saving at least $500. But just 1 week later, rent is due, utility rates jumped, and everyday costs ran higher. A few small Amazon orders snuck in, and of course, a Starbucks treat-yourself run. When you finally check your account, most of your money is already gone. This story happens to millions of people, not just you, especially now that taxes and living costs keep rising. Even with a steady income, many end up drowning in credit card debt with no emergency savings, constantly stressed about money. And here's the thing, most of us keep asking, how can I make more money? But almost nobody asks, how can I keep the money I already make? That's the real secret the law of attraction keeps pointing us back to. The energy you put out shapes what you attract. If your dominant belief is money is never enough, the universe will send you more bills, more unexpected expenses. If you've never seriously thought about how to hold on to your money, then this video is for you. Today I'll share with you one of the simplest but most powerful money management principles. If you actually apply this in daily life, within just 3 to 6 months you'll likely start to notice, if you automate and stay consistent, something amazing. Your bank account won't be empty at the end of the month anymore. Instead, you'll start to see extra cash, more freedom, and a deeper sense of financial security. Let's face reality. The problem isn't that you don't make enough. The problem is that you don't know how to keep it. One person can earn $6,000 a month and still end up with nothing. Meanwhile, another person earning $3,000 manages to save $1,000 every month. Who's actually more financially secure? The answer is obvious, the one who keeps more. With taxes going up and inflation still here, the difference is crystal clear. Those who know how to keep money stay strong, while the spenders spiral deeper into debt. So why can't most people keep their money? It usually falls into 3 categories. 1. Emotional spending. Buying things just because they're on sale, eating out because you're too tired to cook, or shopping as a way to relieve stress. 2. Spending before earning. Swiping the credit card while waiting for your paycheck to arrive. 3. No financial plan. Having no savings rule, no spending boundaries, just letting money slip away. Think of your wallet like a gas tank. You fill it up, but there's a small hole at the bottom. No matter how much gas you pour in, it keeps leaking out. Your income is the gas being poured in. But if you never patch the hole, meaning you don't learn to hold onto your money, you let emotions control your spending, or you keep relying on credit cards, you'll never see your tank full. And now, higher taxes are like drilling another hole into your tank. If you still don't manage your spending, saving, and investing properly, it'll take forever to reach financial freedom. Have you noticed that at the end of the month, no matter how much your income rises, you still have nothing left? Or even feel worse off as taxes and costs climb? That's because you haven't followed the golden rule. Never spend 100% of your income. This applies no matter how much you make. Always set aside at least 10% to 50% of what comes in. For example, if you make $1,000 per month, immediately move $100 to $500 into a separate savings account and don't touch it for day-to-day spending. If you make $5,000 per month, set aside $500 to $2,500 to steadily build your education, growth, or future investments. And here's the truth. If you can't save $100, you won't save $1,000 or $10,000. As income goes up, spending automatically rises unless your habits change. That's why the law of attraction responds when you keep at least 10 to 50%. You're sending a signal to the universe. I can manage money. And when you do that, more opportunities flow to you. One of the biggest mistakes people make today is living on credit. Swipe now, worry later. The result? Credit card debt piles up everywhere. When you spend money you don't have, you're making yourself a debtor. And when you carry the energy of debt, the law of attraction will bring you more debt. Here's the shift. Spend only when the money is already in your account. Once it's in, then you plan. How much goes to spending? How much to saving? That means no buying on credit, thinking you'll pay it off when the paycheck hits. No spending based on the belief that the contract money will come through soon, or that deal will close any day now. If the money isn't real yet, don't spend it. Want to feel financially safe, ready to grab new opportunities, and stop panicking every time taxes or living costs rise? The truth is, most people spend every penny they make. Their income flows right through bills, food, shopping, with nothing left behind. Result: constant stress, missed opportunities, and living life on defense. That's why you need a financial freedom fund, a tool that completely changes the game. Here's how. Every time money comes in, immediately cut out 10 to 50% and put it into this fund. Separate account, or even a glass jar at home. Never use this fund for bills or daily spending. When it grows, move it into a savings account for protection. Do this consistently for 3, 6, 12 months, and you'll see a serious reserve. This money becomes your energy shield, making you stronger against financial pressure. It gives you peace of mind, lets you seize opportunities, and, most importantly, shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. And when you carry the energy of abundance, the law of attraction delivers even more opportunities, income streams, and prosperity. So what happens when you build your financial freedom fund? You could pause work for 6 to 12 months without worrying about bills. You'll have cash ready to invest when opportunities come. You can invest in yourself, learn new skills, take career-boosting courses, or simply travel to heal and recharge. Most importantly, you'll stop living in fear of rising taxes, inflation, or interest rates. Instead of stress, you'll feel secure and in control, because the universe mirrors back the energy you send. If you radiate scarcity, you'll get more struggle. If you radiate abundance, you'll attract more flow and wealth. So start today. Open a separate account or set aside a jar, and immediately drop 10 to 50% of your monthly income into your financial freedom fund. Don't wait until you're rich to start. This small habit itself is the signal that makes the universe send more wealth and opportunities your way. Take John, for example. He used to earn around $7,000 a month, but by month's end, his account was empty. Emotional spending, stress shopping, and credit cards kept him in debt. The pressure tore at his family too. A year ago, John made a shift. He started a financial freedom fund and set aside 10% of his income every month. At first, it was just $500, but little by little it grew. After 1 year, John had nearly $10,000 saved. Now, even with higher taxes and living costs, his family isn't panicking. Instead of scarcity, John feels secure and calm. And here's the miracle. Once he broke free from the energy of financial fear, the law of attraction brought him new job offers and stronger income streams. Do you want your account to stop running dry every month and instead grow bigger and bigger within just 3 to 6 months? Here's how to start. Step 1. Write down your average monthly income. Step 2. Decide. What exact percentage will I keep no matter what? If you make $1,000, keep $100. If you make $5,000, keep $500 to $2,500. Step 3. The moment your paycheck hits, move that money into a separate account or jar, your financial freedom fund. Step 4. Repeat every month without breaking discipline. Stick with it, and in 3 to 6 months, you'll likely be surprised not just by your growing balance, but by how safe and empowered you feel. Remember, this isn't just financial discipline, it's sending a powerful message to the universe. I deserve more money, and I know how to manage it. So to break free from living paycheck to paycheck, especially now with rising taxes and soaring costs, just remember these 3 golden rules. Rule number 1, never spend 100% of your income. Rule number 2, Only spend money you've already earned. Rule number 3, always build and protect your financial freedom fund. Start small. Even $20 is enough. It's not about the number, it's about the energy you radiate. When you live from the energy of control and abundance, the law of attraction will send you more opportunities, more money, and the freedom you've been craving. So right now, take action. Open a separate savings account or grab a simple jar and drop in your first $20. That tiny step could ignite your entire financial journey. This video is part of the series Law of Attraction, Attracting Money. If you want to keep learning how to shift your mindset, attract wealth, and use the Law of Attraction as a tool for prosperity, hit subscribe and follow along. Each episode is a building block to help you create a solid foundation for financial freedom. Thank you for always following and supporting the Success Code. To make sure you never miss new content, click the round subscribe button in the center of the screen, or choose the next video on the left or right. See you in the next one.